Hey guys, so I realize I haven't made a video about darkroom lighting like this, and it's really easy to do. So I'm gonna show you how to make dark lighting in your room, and a bonus as to make like warm lighting, like really nice custom warm lighting. Not just the basic point light, warm, blah blah blah. It's gonna be involving this too. So it can also be like this. So you can see this isn't just basic warm lighting now. This is kind of like a dark and yellow mix because I added some more colors onto the darkness. So let's just get straight into it, and I will show you how to do this. So first you're going to want to grab a point light. It's the CV1 point light. I don't know if there's a CV2 one, but don't grab the CV2 one if there is. Now you're going to want to configure it. Range has to be all the way up, and the intensity has to be at 1. This glitches out the lighting. And the color has to be indigo. Right here. Now what you do is you literally just spawn these until it gets dark. So this is perfect. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 point lights. Is about perfect to make your whole room dark, but you can add a tint to this too, which I actually found out by myself. You can just recolor half of the point lights to be any color you want, like yellow, to make the warm lighting. So if I recolor all these to be yellow, which is probably just easier if I just recolor them, you can see now it's a teeny bit yellow and it makes it really nice. But you can also make it blue, which I don't know if contrasts too good. Yeah, no. It's kind of blue, but it also just kind of fits in. You can make this any color you want. Just don't change the range because that'll mess everything up. But yeah, I thought this was pretty cool. And not many people know how to do it. So that was basically it. As always, guys, if you enjoyed the video, please like, because I am a growth creator, and it would be very helpful. I hope this helped you, and go subscribe to me on Darkroom at Existings. See ya later. Peace.